What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. We've got such a bright day outside, but if you guys just noticed, that is right, we got all new wheels for the Mustang. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, so I've gotten a little bit ahead of myself. I've been super excited. As you guys can see, the Mustang is already lifted from behind. I've removed the rear wheels only, and there's a reason for that. But for now, let's go to show you guys what we got. So as you guys can see, we got two new tires here, and they are 315 35 17. So these are 315s by 35-inch wide tires. And if you guys are somewhat in the know with Mustangs, and specifically these new Edge models, you know that can only mean one thing, and that's we've gone with some new wheels that are much wider. So before we get to it, you guys can probably see, let's show you the wheels we went to. Now, we decided to go through LMR, late model restorations. They've got they had a real good deal over Labor Day on these wheels, and these of course are the 0304 Cobra replica wheels. Okay, so here it is, guys. These are the 0304 Cobra SVE replica wheels in a machined finish with the silver inlets. And we've got, these are the fronts. These are 17 by 9-inch in the front, and the rears are over here. And these are awesome, guys, because here we actually went with the, that's right, 17 by 10.5 with a lip, deep dish front wheels. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to see how they look on the Mustang. But like I mentioned, I was going to tell you guys why we went with just removing the rears for now is because, of course, these are going to be the two rear ones that are going to be going with the 10-inch wheel. But this car actually came with the correct proper size in the rear, which is a 275/40. This is the appropriate size tire that's going to go on my front wheels. So we have to remove them from these wheels, put them on the new ones, mount the 315s on the wide ones, and then do the swap. I'm going to go figure out how to get this in the car, put it all up, take it to the tire shop, get them all mounted, and then we'll come back and put them on the car and see just how it looks. Remember, guys, if you haven't seen the last video, we did do the drop on it, so the car is nice and level now. And for those wondering, yes, I did put jack stands, so there's no issues or worries about the car. Could have gone with the lift on the side, but this was a lot faster. So let's get to it, guys. Oh man, I'm just rambling on and on. I'm so excited, but I'm gonna go get the tire shop, get everything taken care of, and then I'll jump right back here when everything is mounted and show you guys just how this ends up looking. Alright guys, we are back from the tire shop, and I got these wheels right in front of me here. Dang, they're gonna look so good. Whoo, check it out, guys. So of course, like I mentioned, we removed the rear wheels because the tires from the rear wheels are the perfect match to go with this 9-inch front wheel setup and 10.5 in the back, and that again was a 275/40. So we've got the front wheels with pretty much brand new tires, and of course these are the gems of this setup, and that is these deep dish, get almost like 2 inches of lip tires in the back with our 315 tires, and they're so wide. I mean, I'm gonna put one right next to this one. Actually, let's go ahead and just roll this one right here, and look at the difference here, guys. That is almost a full 3 to 4 inches of finger lengths difference in the width. So we're gonna go ahead and mount up the two rear ones so that we can do the fronts, and once we mount it all up, I'll bring it outside and show you guys just how it looks with the new wheels. I'm super excited. I think it's gonna look really good. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you think? Do you think it's gonna look good? Is it gonna match with the black paint job and everything here? I think it will. Let me know. I wanted to get chrome wheels. I thought the chrome would look much better, but these machined finish was much cheaper, a lot cheaper, so that's why we went with these, which I think they're still going to look very, very good on the Mustang. So let me go ahead and get back to work, mount all the tires, and then roll it out and show you guys what it looks like out in the sun. Wow, guys, look at that. The fitment is perfect. You've got the tire just barely kind of poking out here, but oh, look at this. This is so much better than what was there before, and I love the lip in the back, guys. I mean, that is so aggressive. I mean, look at how wide those tires are in the back. Let me get a direct back angle. These are actually wider than what's on the Camaro. These are 315s. The Camaro's only ran 305s, and I mean, it still has some space to even go even wider. But oh my goodness, fitment was perfect. LMR and these SVE wheels. Let me know in the comments, guys. What do you guys think? This looks awesome. I love the way this looks. Definitely completely transformed the car, that's for sure. I mean, so much better. I can't believe it looked this good, and everything fit perfect. These wheels by SVE are actually very good, really good quality, very easy to balance. One of them actually didn't even read any balancing weights at all, which was really amazing. But overall, guys, what do you think? This is what I pictured when I first bought this car, guys. And it's definitely come a long way from when I bought the car, that's for sure. But oh my goodness. Again, just look at how deep that rear wheel goes, and then the front one nice and flush with a little concave. It still has a concave little aspect to it, which is really nice. Man, this makes me feel really good, guys. I bought the car in about, I would say, a 5 out of 10 shape in terms of the way the looks were, and we just went through a wholesale change. I mean, we did remove the louvers. It had some louvers. It had a Roush wing, which we went back with the stock wing. The paint definitely needed some love, and I went through and spent a week polishing it. And the wheels, of course, that it had were not the greatest. I didn't really like them. They weren't fitting of a car like this. They didn't give it that muscle car look. And now, of course, we've gotten the Cobra replica wheels here with the deep dish in the rear, and oh my god, it looks so much better. I mean, this was the last mod, guys. If you guys saw the last video, we did do the drop springs, and it looks a lot better, and it's still not super low or anywhere where I'm worrying about scraping. I really like it, and I'm sure with a little bit more time those springs will settle. The rubbers, the spring isolators will kind of get settled in. I could make it go lower by just removing the isolators, but then you'd have a really rough ride and just metal on metal, and nobody really wants that. So I like it like this. I think this is just the perfect amount of drop without having to worry about any type of alignment issues. I actually did try, talking about alignment, I did try to take this to get aligned, but unfortunately the inner and outer tie rods are in really bad shape, so I'm gonna have to get that replaced before we can get the car completely aligned. But other than that, I mean, the car drives pretty well. When we did do the drop springs in the front, the tires did have that alignment bolt on the thing, and as you can see here, this one's kind of a little far out, and this one is kind of more inward. So definitely need to get that taken care of before I drive this too much, because then my tires are going to completely get eaten up from the front. The rear is going to be perfectly fine, but man, whew, love the way the car came out, guys. Anyways, guys, this was a nice quick little video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys comment down below and let me know what you think of the car. It's come a long way, and I think this is about where I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna go back and put the original Mach 1 decals kit that goes on the hood and on the sides, but other than that, guys, this is pretty much staying as is. I might get like a new shifter and maybe redo the window tint, but nothing major, nothing crazy. This car is going to stay pretty stock and look really good doing it, and it'll be a great little fun daily driver for a while. And You know, who knows? Maybe I might sell it later on or something if someone offers me some good money. But I love the way this looks. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.